prepositions of movement into and out of described direction when something moves from one space to another. Into means moving from outside to inside a space. Out of means moving from inside to outside a space. These prepositions help show clear direction in English sentences. Into shows movement toward the inside of something. The arrow points forward for into. Out of shows movement away from the inside toward outside. The arrow points backward for out of. These two prepositions are opposites in direction. Walk into the room means entering from outside the room. Jump into the pool means going from outside the water to inside the water. Go into the house means moving from outside to the inside space. Put books into the bag means placing from outside to inside the bag. She stepped out of the car means leaving from inside the car to outside. The cat jumped out of the window means moving from inside through the window to outside. He ran out of the house means exiting from inside to outside. They climbed out of the cave means leaving the inside space. Into always means movement from outside space to inside space. Out of always means movement from inside space to outside space. Into and out of are opposite directions. One moves in, the other moves out. Walked into the room, then ran out of the house shows opposite movement. Jumped into the pool, then climbed out of the pool also shows going in then coming out. These pairs demonstrate how into and out of work as opposites in real sentences. Use into when she walked into the kitchen from outside to inside. Use out of when he jumped out of the window from inside to outside. Practice choosing the right preposition based on movement direction. Into equals outside, moving to inside. Out of equals inside, moving to outside. Both are movement prepositions that show clear direction. Remember these patterns for correct English sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.